All right, so we got these guys here. They're just laser cut tubing. So right here we got, this is going to be like your wastegate kit, your DIY wastegate kits. And we got those guys right there for 44 millimeter. We got stubs, just the stubs alone, which after I did this, I realized this is probably the smarter way of doing it because people just trace out the hole and cut it themselves. But these are pains in the butt to make and usually cost you a hole saw or two. Yeah, so we got these for the 60 millimeter gates. They're 2.5. They're made to sit on a 2.5. And we've done all the math and calculating to keep your wastegate in nice and tight to the pipe as possible without sticking out there and letting it dangle and becoming a fulcrum bouncing up and down on welds. So yeah, we got these 2.5 and 3 for your 60 millimeter. We got them in for 50 millimeter gates in 2.25 and 2.5, and we have them for 44 millimeter gates in 2.25 and 2.5. So check them out. There are links in the description.